Hi everybody. So we have a new intake. We just got him in. A call that he had a wound, and come to find out the wound is actually a botfly. So if you've never seen a botfly and you're squeamish, this is your time to keep scrolling, because I am going to go ahead and remove this botfly since he'll be in our care. He also has some fly strike. So these little tiny like pieces of white rice here, it looks like. This is actually maggot eggs. So if these were to hatch, which takes about 24 hours, this baby would have maggots. And the problem with maggots is while they do eat decayed tissue, they also will eat live tissue. So we're gonna go ahead and get this baby all cleaned up. We're gonna remove the botfly and the fly strike. All right, so we've coated it with Vaseline and let it sit here. So this botfly is at the surface, and it should be a pretty easy removal. We definitely have to be careful not to burst the botfly while it's still inside, because that can release a lot of toxins into the body. So we're going to do this really gently and carefully. I'm just going to push to try to encourage this botfly to resurface. Okay, so we've got the botfly at the surface here, so I'm just going to gently pull it out. And this is what was inside the baby. That was a nice, easy, clean pull, no break in the botfly. We'll set it there and dispose of that. We're gonna flush this wound really well. Make sure you can see it's just a hole. This will heal up really nicely though. We're gonna flush it, make sure no infection sets in. There's our disgusting botfly. And then we're also, of course, gonna address this fly strike. I usually will use a toothbrush to comb these out, and he'll get a bath. So here's even more fly strike, maggot eggs right around where that wound was. All right, and as we're cleaning him up and getting all the fly strike off, I am noticing that he has actual maggot eggs inside the wound where the botfly came out. So we're gonna take a capstar that's been diluted and flush it out, because the capstar will make sure any maggots are killed. I know, buddy. And we'll definitely get those out of there. But capstar is what we give dogs and cats for fleas. We can also use it for maggots. So we got them all cleaned out. We have them on a heating pad to stay warm. And we're gonna rehydrate them with some Pedialyte. I'm very optimistic this baby will be just fine, but he was definitely found just in time. Any name suggestions? He's a little boy.